Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to focus on income tax return. So I'm going to talk about the income tax return, why you need to file your income tax return on time and what are the consequences for not filing your income tax return on time. So, as per the government rule, government has specified a certain kind of limit. So, in our case, it is to up to 2,50,000. If your income is there, then you need to file an income tax return as it is more than the exempt limit. So, that is about the individuals for less than 60 years. For the individuals from 60 to 80 years, the limit is 3 lakhs, and for the individuals who are senior citizens of more than 80 years, the limit is 5 lakhs. So, if your income is more than the specified limits, then you have to file your income tax return as per government laws. And if you are not filing your income tax return on time, then you might need to pay interest and penalty of 5,000 and 10,000 in some cases. So that you have to keep in mind. So this is about the government rules and regulations as per which you need to file your income tax return. But what I need to focus on more in this video is what are the practical consequences which you might get into because of not filing your income tax return on time. So the first thing which I have to focus is about the records of income tax, filing of income tax return. So there are the due dates specified by the government, and there is certain time which is given by the department for filing your belated return. And if you are not filing your income tax return within that time, maybe you are liable to file your income tax return or you may not be. But in future, if requirement is there, then after that due date, after that certain period of time for filing your return or belated return, if you have to go for your return filing, then it is not possible. So to keep your records intact, it is a good practice to file your return every year on as per the due dates. So which kind of requirements might occur in future? So first example of such kind of requirement is if you need to go for any loan or credit card, or maybe you're applying for any visa, then you need to give the income tax return of last 2-3 years, which is, if you are not ready with such kind of documents, you can't really go and file your past income tax return. So it's always better to file your income tax return yearly on time. So this is one reason. The second reason which I will say is claiming of your refund of your TDS, which is deducted at source. So you have your FDs with your bank, or maybe any other kind of income like commission or brokerage on which the TDS is deducted, and if you're not filing your income tax return, then you can't claim your refund, because the only way to claim your refund of TDS is to file your income tax return. For any individual, for any company, there is the only way to claim your refund from the government. So this is the other thing. The third case is carry forward of losses. If you have any kind of losses which you have incurred in your business, or maybe the capital losses, maybe on sale of share or any sale of any other asset, such losses you can carry forward only if you are filing your income tax return on time within the due date. So once the date is gone, and if you're filing the income tax return, those losses won't be carried forward, and you can't take the benefit of that thing in future. This is very important thing to keep in mind, that if you have any losses, then you have to file your income tax return on time. So in short, I have given you the consequences or the practical scenarios under which you might end up making your own losses by not filing your income tax return. So it is always advisable to file your income tax return on time within the due date. So friends, I will be covering such more and more important points which you might be interested in. So I would suggest you to subscribe to my channel and keep the notification on by pressing the bell icon, so that you will get the notification as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you so much.